Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install a page, mariadb, PHP and necessary PHP extensions. After that, start mariadb and create a database and user for tikiwiki. In the mariadb prompt, enter the next command. Run the following command to download the latest version of tikiwiki from the official website. Unzip the downloaded file. Rename the directory by using following command. Set the correct permission for tikiwiki files by running the next command. Create a configuration file for tikiwiki in a patch. Add the following content to this file. Replace example.com with your domain name or with your server IP address. Activate the new site configuration by running the following command. After that, disable the default page site to avoid conflicts. And finally, reload the page to apply the changes. After following these steps, open your web browser and go to your domain name or your server IP address to complete the tikiwiki setup. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.